In this video, we're going to work on the ALEKS problem called writing an expression as a single logarithm. This problem is going to give us an expression that has 2 or maybe 3 log functions in it, and it wants us to simplify this down or condense it down to an expression that only uses the log function one time. We're going to be using a few of the different properties of logs, so I'm going to write those up here just as a refresher. If we have the log of two numbers, the log of one number plus the log of another number, we can rewrite that as the log of those two numbers multiplied by each other, the product of those two numbers. If we have subtraction, so if we have the log of A minus the log of B, we could rewrite that as the log of the first number divided by the second number. And then last but not least, if we have a number times the log of something, like B times the log of A, we can rewrite that as the log of A to that initial number as an exponent. So B times the log of A is equal to the log of A raised to the B. So let's take a look at what we've got here. I'm not exactly sure where to start with this problem. I don't think that there's a right way or a wrong way to start solving this problem. I think that what I'm going to do is start with this rule first, because I can see that I have a number in front of a log, and then I also have this number in front of a log as well. So I think the first thing that I'm going to do is use this rule to get rid of the 7 and to get rid of the 1/2. I am going to rewrite this expression down here, 7 log 3x plus 1 plus 1/2 log x plus 2. Okay, so using this rule, I'm going to move that 7 to the exponent position. So now it's going to be the log of 3x plus 1 to the 7. And I'm going to do the same thing with my other term as well. I'm going to move that 1/2 to the exponent position, x plus 2 to the 1/2. And the next thing that I'm going to do is use this rule right here to combine these two terms. I have the log of something plus the log of something else. So I can rewrite that as the log of, you can see here, these numbers multiplied by each other, the log of A times B. So I can rewrite this as the log of 3x plus 1 to the 7 x plus 2 to the 1/2. And that's not a very simple term, but I don't think, well, we could expand the math out on it, but I don't think it's necessary, because ALEKS is just asking us to write this as a function that just has one single log function in it. So I feel like this is probably good enough for ALEKS. I don't think we should have the square brackets on there. I think that would probably make ALEKS cranky. I think that this is the answer that it's looking for, because it did not tell us to do any kind of expanding. Feels kind of bad to me. Feels a little bit like this is a lot, but I'm pretty sure. I know that this is correct, and I'm very confident that this is what ALEKS wants as the answer.